What the heck is this?
Until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:53 p.m. Central Standard Time, emergency management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to
Flash
begin
flood?
shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: emergency management. Adams County and Concordia Parish Emergency Management reported flooded roads. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Natchez, Vidalia, Ferry Bay, Monterey, Largo, Jonesville, Clayton, Frogmore, Deer Park, West Ferry Bay, Wildsville, Slocum, New Era, Mena, Spokane, Sibley, Wallace Ridge, Acme, Archie, and Walters. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Was not expecting that.
This is no
Came out of nowhere.